Xander. He's out there demonstrating some evasion movement. He's 10 years old. He enjoys the heck out of this stuff. Hey everybody, I'm JJ Johnson. You're watching Reality Survival, and today we are going to take a look at a really cool ghillie suit from North Mountain Gear. And here it is right here, and I believe he's got a couple of different color options, a green and a brown. This is the brown, and you might be asking yourself, well, this is a prepping channel or whatever, why would I need a ghillie suit? I'm not a marine sniper or anything like that. Well, the fact is the ghillie suit can be used for a lot more than just sniping people and stuff like that. The reason that snipers use ghillie suit is because it gives them the best ability to blend in with their environment in a really top-notch sort of, serious way. If you were in a disaster type scenario where the food that you put on the table was that you went hunting for was what you were going to eat, you would want to have the best camouflage possible. And now North Mountain Gear also makes a 3D camouflage leaf suit, and we showed you that in a video as well, and that is also a top-notch thing. Any of the 3D type camo is what you really want to go for when every shot counts, when the food that you're going to put on the table is crucial to feeding you and your children. You want to have the best camo out there, and that's what using a ghillie suit is going to do for you. The thing is that just like with that leafy 3D stuff, you're going to increase the amount of texture that you have. You're going to pick up natural vegetation, which is going to help you blend in sticks and stuff like that from when Xander was doing his little demonstration earlier. That's going to help you blend in even more. And the shadows that are cast upon this is going to help look different in different directions and all that kind of stuff. And you're really just increasing your chances of blending in exponentially. The texture is going to help. You're breaking up the silhouette, the natural inverted V's and that kind of thing, and it's just going to work really great. The cool thing about the way that he has made this one, ghillie suits are known for being really, really hot. So he's taken and used a really fine kind of mesh on the inside of this, which is really going to give good ventilation. It's going to allow you, allow it to breathe, so you're not just overheating yourself. Because in a hot environment, let's say you're turkey hunting or something like that in the spring, if you don't have a suit that breathes good, you're just going to get really, really, really tired of it. So this is going to work out really well. The cool part about these kinds of suits is it's really, really easy to take and tie on or add in or weave in actual vegetation from the area, which is going to make this all the more effective. It's really, I think, the best way to blend in when it really counts. And again, that's why I said that's why snipers use it. Now, of course, if you're in a situation where you had to do some kind of paramilitary actions or something along those lines, then this is also going to offer you that same advantage that it offers to snipers and stuff like that. I'm still pulling sticks out from when Xander was from doing his movement. The other thing too that you will notice over time with a ghillie suit is that as it goes, it gets more and more frayed out. These are all brand new right now, and I mean, you know, we've just been messing with it out here during the day, and as you can see, it's already starting to get frayed, and the more and more it gets frayed, the more and more it'll start to blend in and start to work really well. So yeah, it's a very customizable thing. It's something you can help to blend to your environment. It's also, you know, when it comes right out of the box, it's gonna just blend right into pretty much any environment, you know, for the most part. It's gonna do really well in grasslands, you know, different things like that. So pretty cool thing to add to your preps, in my opinion. You guys go over to North Mountain Gear and check it out. For the prices that they offer, this stuff is very reasonable, and it's something that it bears consideration, in my opinion, especially if you know, are preparing to be able to put food on the table. You really want to give yourself the best advantage possible, you know, that you can, you know, because it's a matter of life and death. So that's what I think this really offers to, you know, the majority of preppers out there who are taking things seriously, is if hunting is a part of your plan, or, you know, if you're a part of a paramilitary group or something along those lines, then that could be a factor as well. But, you know, primarily hunting is going to be the big thing. So definitely go over to their website. I'll throw the link down in the description below and right here. You guys can check this stuff out. This is constructed very similar to the leaf suit. It's just a little bit more ventilation. We do have the drawstring on the pants, on the leg, and on the waist, and then they have the elastic here. They don't have the zippers in the legs on these like they do on the leaf suit, so it's a little bit tougher to get into. With the top, you do have the hood that comes over the top, and then, see, I can't even find the find the inside. You've got the hood on the top, and then you have buttons that go down the front. It's just so hard to zip with you know, with the ghillie suit, so they use the buttons on there. And then in the arms, if I can find an arm, blending in too well, they also have the elastic cuffs on there as well. So let's see, as far as the materials go, the lining is 100% polyester, the string material is 100% polypropylene, and you want to hand wash this, no bleach or anything like that, obviously. So anyway, guys, that has, oh, and it also comes with a stuff sack as well, and it packs down into a nice, you know, compact size. You know, it's got a little handle on it, drawstring on the end, so it's pretty compact. Once it starts picking up natural material and stuff, obviously it gathers more weight and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, guys, hope you found this useful. Stay tuned. We'll, you know, like I said, we'll throw in this other footage here with some additional movement and stuff like that as well. So head over to North Mountain Gear's website, check them out. And as always, we definitely appreciate it when you click the thumbs up button, when you share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. And don't forget to live the 6 Ps. Proper prior preparation prevents poor performance. Stay safe, guys. All right, good job, bud.
Phew, I saw like a black widow or something. So
Oh,
I got
really?
a little bit scared.
That's crazy.